Alright guys, I just wanted to take a quick second to make a little video of this Pontiac Trans Am I got. Sorry about the focus here. Had a couple people interested in it. Just wanted to go ahead and kind of give you a little walk around of it. I'm debating on whether or not I'm actually going to edit this video or anything like that, because this is really just to help people that are possibly interested in buying it or mostly actually trading for it. But yeah, just kind of wanted to show all the characteristics, any flaws, anything like that, to ease any questions people have. So I'll go over the car real quick. It is a Trans Am, so it's a V8 automatic car. Let me see here. Leather interior, all that. So you can see the interior isn't pristine. It does have a couple rips in it here and there. And it is pretty nice though for the year, all things considered. Has 155,000. I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not. And I did change the wheels, something with a little bit better offset, so they actually fit better with the wheel wells. Has two 25s in the front, two 45s in the rear. Gives it a nice stance look to it. As you can see, like I said, it's not a perfect car by any means. I'm not trying to represent it as such, but it is nice for the age compared to a lot of the other ones I'm seeing for sale. Go ahead and start it up for you guys. And it does have a Flowmaster exhaust. And that was a cold start. No knocks or anything like that. I do have a shotgun mic on my microphone, on my camera, so I don't know how well you can actually hear the car because it's pointed towards me, so you can actually hear what I'm saying. Alright, I'll just drive it around the parking lot a little bit so you can kind of see that it works. I don't have plates on this car, so apologize that I can't take you down the road in it. Sorry, trying to look where I'm going here. Like I said, I'm just taking around the parking lot real quick. As you can see, everything works good. Window goes up and down fine. So this is a non-T-top car, which is a little bit harder to find and a little bit more desirable for people like me that don't want their roof to leak. I can understand the draw of having T-tops and all that. It's just not something I would be interested in, because, you know, if anything goes wrong, it's hard to fix, hard to get seals for it, all that. So really the only problems with it is there are a couple of spots in the paint that are faded, as you can tell probably from the video, and the ground effects. This one's got some cracks in it, and the other side is broken in half. Let me go around and show you that. So yeah, so there's that. Wish I had plates for it so I could take you down the road and really show you what it's all about. Really just making this video to show people that are interested in it. What else? Probably will need something looked at for the brake lights. They pop the fuse from time to time, so like the brake lights and turn signals will intermittently stop working. But you'll know it because when you hit the turn signal, the flasher won't show on the dash. It won't click or anything like that. So, you know, if that happens, you have to stop and change the fuse. My guess is the previous owner changed these taillights to a newer style. And when they did that, there's more bulbs in it, so it's more load on the electrical system. I was talking to somebody else who said you might have to put a bigger fuse in it, because with that extra bulb, allegedly, I don't know, I didn't do that job, so I don't know if it does have an extra bulb or not, but if it does have an extra bulb, then it's going to draw more current through the circuit than the fuse is set up for, so you might be popping a fuse because of that. But other than that, the car runs and drives great. Really just service the transmission in it, so that's all good. Get new filter and new fluid, new paint and gasket, fresh gas is all in it, everything like that. So has a pretty, I think it's like almost a full tank of gas in it right now. So if you buy it, you get plenty of gas to get home. Inspected until April. So yeah,